The juiciest pizza chicken you ever done.
Oh my god.
I know. You're like kind of upset it looks really tasty. Cause there's a pizza in it.
Yeah.
Mike, you wanna look at this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut it in half. Make sure I got even pizza distribution.
It's not that pizza, Dave. It's pretty juicy.
It's very juicy. Oh my.
Oh, look at all those juices. Stuffing.
It's so fucking orange.
That is intense. You really shoved that pizza up there.
It would fit. You're right.
I have a question about pizza.
Yeah.
Is there pizza that's not in chicken?
No.
So all the pizza.
No, but it was cooked.
It's just not in
It's
chicken.
safe to eat, child.
I know it's to eat.
You don't want a pizza that was
Like-
cooking in chicken?
He's gonna have the texture of Korean street food, dog. God damn.
It looks really fucking good.
Alright.
How are you not interested in that, Machado? That's incredible.
I'm so confused.
It's so like cheesy and saucy. It looks so good. The chicken's incredibly juicy. How did she do that?
Maybe it's from like the tomato sauce.
No! The chicken should be tried out as fuck.
It's steamed. The pizza sauce is steaming it.
I don't
Why
think
you
so.
stuff a chicken with a pizza? To keep it moist.
Yeah. All the motion and cheese in the sauce.
Right. You want like a leg and a cut of pizza? Here's a.
It's so weird. Just like slicing one slice of pizza.
Here's a wing, some white meat, and some pizza. We'll take it, man.
Oh man.
Here's a leg. Really juicy leg. It's so juicy.
It's the juiciest chicken I've ever seen in my head.
What's the secret?
Frozen
Pizza.
Here's some pizza. You go for Chad.
No, man.
There you go. Let me get you a fork. Do you need a fork, Andy?
No, I'll be okay. Actually, yeah, please. I'll get one. Sorry.
I'm trying to figure out what part of the pizza is the crust.
You're missing out.
Alright,
Oh,
I'll eat the pizza first.
Dude, you need some of this.
Just in time.
I feel like a 400 pounds. I love this wood. Dude, you want a drumstick? Yeah, man. It's a pizza.
Question.
Yeah.
What brand frozen pizza is this?
Tombstone. That's what it's called, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Mm.